YouTube. Let's do this song by Darondo called Didn't I? But it starts with a little riff. So I'm just playing 4 and 6 on the A string, and I hit the D string at the 4. It's extension, pentatonic extension on the low side of the B flat major chord is what we're playing. That's the first chord. Do a little playthrough. Didn't I give you everything? Didn't I? Didn't I buy you diamond rings? Didn't I? Didn't I treat you right? Didn't I treat you right? Didn't I? Didn't I? Didn't I? Didn't I? Okay, that's all 3 parts of the song. So the first part is the verse, and it's a B major, A minor 7, G minor 7. For the refrain, did not trade F major, G minor 7 or G minor. And then the only other part, there's a little part like a bridge, and they stack the harmonies of the vocals, and that is just G minor 7. Didn't I? Didn't I? Didn't I? And then we go to F sharp major 7. That's an easy way to play it. Bar the first 3 on fret 6, and then play your root note on fret 4 on the D string. Okay, that's all parts of the song. Thanks for watching. Have fun playing that. Bye.